Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to share with you, a guide to the top free digital marketing courses offered by Google. If you're looking to enhance your digital marketing skills, these courses are a fantastic way to get started. So without further ado, let's dive in. Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Our first course is the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. This course is like Digital Marketing 101. It covers all the basics, from search engine optimization to social media and email marketing. It's perfect for beginners or those looking to brush up on their skills. You'll explore 26 modules, each focusing on a specific aspect of digital marketing. The best part? You can learn at your own pace, and when you complete the course, you'll earn a certificate from Google, a great addition to your resume. Google Ads Fundamentals. Now, if you're specifically interested in online advertising, the Google Ads Fundamentals course is a must. Google Ads is a powerful advertising platform, and this course takes you through the essentials. In about 4 to 6 hours, you'll grasp the ins and outs of creating effective ads, selecting keywords, and measuring campaign performance. Whether you're a business owner or aspiring marketer, mastering Google Ads can open doors to countless opportunities. Social media advertising. Last but not least, let's talk about social media advertising. In a world where social platforms rule, understanding how to advertise effectively on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn is a game changer. This course spans about 3 to 4 hours, but the knowledge you gain is invaluable. From targeting your audience to crafting compelling ads, you'll be equipped to make the most of social media advertising. So, there you have it, 3 incredible digital marketing courses from Google. Whether you're just starting or want to refine your skills, these courses offer a goldmine of knowledge. Remember, investing in your education is investing in your future. Pick the course that resonates with you, dive in, and let's conquer the digital world together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're ready to embark on this learning journey, the links are in the description below. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.